Hi, I just wanted to talk to you about the Fons Porter pencil. This is the mechanical pencil that we use on a regular basis for marking our quilts. It leaves a nice fine white line. Most of the time the line has gone by the time you've stitched over top of it, but if you do need to take those marks away, there is an eraser at the very end, so that gets rid of all the extra marks. The most common question that I have regarding the pen is, how do I put new lead in? And the easiest way that we found to put the new lead in is just to push in that pen, and then that opens up the tip, and then you're able to slide the lead right in. So you can keep feeding pieces of lead into your pencil, and I find that the more that you can put in there, it's almost better for it. So don't be afraid to put 2 or 3 pieces of lead in there, and that seems to make the lead stay in and doesn't come out when you're trying to write with it. So try the pen. It's the Fons Porter mechanical pencil, and Agua actually comes in a pretty teal color. So enjoy. Thanks.